Do you need a police clearance certificate from Kuwait as easily as possible? Then your search ends with RealScan Biometrics. We have decades of expertise and we have provided several people with PCC as easily as possible and within the shortest period of time. Now let me take you through the process that you need to follow. Step 1. Fill the application form with personal details. Step 2. Submit the following documents: a completed application form, full set of fingerprint impressions, 4 recent passport size photographs, documentary evidence of a last residential address in Kuwait, original Indian police clearance certificate, self-attested scan or a photocopy of your passport and other identity documents, copy of your work permit, residence permit, appointment letter, dependent pass or Kuwait civil ID card issued in the state of Kuwait. And lastly, immigration authority letter stating the reason for PCC acquisition. Step 3. Pay the processing fee. We accept payments in UPI, account transfer or cash payments. Step 4. Wait for a certificate to be processed by the issued authority. Now sit back and relax and wait for our team to contact you. Still have doubts? Then listen to what our satisfied customers have to say about their experience at RealScan Biometrics.